Hello everyone, welcome to my rental project. This is a building that I took upon in my country back in Mauritania, country in West Africa. And I bought this piece of land 4 years ago, and after 1 year I started the foundation, which you are seeing now on the video. I built the foundation, then I waited for like 2 years, and I started elevating the main building, the ground level. It was all from my salary, so that's why it was a bit slow. And during the building process, the COVID hit, and the prices went up like crazy. But I keep on persevering, and I wanted to finish it, whatever